So today I'm going to show you how to sell your stock on your MooMoo account. Now we're actually here on the homepage, which is our watch list here. And all we got to do is head over to the center of the screen that says accounts. Click on here. This is going to take us to our asset accounts over on the top here. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can hit this drop down menu and choose the different accounts, but we're on the correct one here for us. So all we got to do is swipe here towards the bottom and we're going to see all of the positions we have. We just got one in this one here today, and that is going to be with Amazon. So we can see right over here, if we click on Amazon, that's going to take us to this section over here. That is going to be the Amazon page. And here towards the very bottom, you're going to see the word trade with that little lock on there. We're going to click on this option here. And we have obviously the 2, and we're going to want to be selling today. So we'll click on the red sell button. And here it's going to ask us to put in our trading code. This is going to be a 6-digit code, or you might have your Face ID already set up with it. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. All right, so that's going to take us to this page here. And of course, we are on the sell page. You can easily click over to the buy if you needed to. And here it's going to ask the session right here. You can see it's currently set up at regular trading hours. If we click on this, you're going to see all the extra hours. There is 24-hour trading as well, but we're just going to leave it for regular trading hours. The order type here is set to limit. We're going to go ahead and just move this over to market here since we have our fractional shares, and that is going to be required for fractional shares. And here it's going to ask if we want to sell in shares or in dollars. Now here is where you could plug in your amount. And if you need to see how much you can sell, it'll show you here at the bottom left-hand side, the max quantity to sell. For our example here, it is 0.1338. So that's what we're going to plug into this section here. So from here, it is going to let us know the estimated amount. Obviously, this can change in real time for us. And then here for time in force, it is automatically set today. All right, so from over here, we're going to go and click on the word sell. All right, so this is going to be the order details that pop up here. This is like a quick review, making sure everything looks good here for you. Something to keep in mind if you are doing this during market hours, this can go pretty quickly as far as once you hit confirm. So just verify everything here looks correct for you. And if you are doing this during market off hours, this might not go through just depending on what is happening in the markets. And if everything here looks good, go ahead and click on confirm on the bottom right to go ahead and sell your stock on MooMoo. Now, once you sold your stock on MooMoo, you might want to be able to withdraw your money, and we got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.